Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm diving into a topic that's close to my heart. How to turn your passion into a successful career. If you're a young professional juggling a job and a dream, this one's for you. First things first, identify what you love. Really dive deep. Ask yourself, what would I do if money wasn't a factor? Whether it's photography, coding, cooking, or writing, find that one thing that makes you lose track of time. Next up, research the market. You'll want to know if there's a demand for what you love to do. Check out online forums, join Facebook groups, and follow industry leaders on LinkedIn. Getting a feel for the market can help you tailor your skills to meet real needs. Then, start small, but start now. You don't need to quit your job right away. Begin as a side hustle. Offer your services for free or at a reduced rate to build a portfolio. Make those initial mistakes when the stakes are low. Now, let's talk about networking. Connect with like-minded people. Attend workshops, seminars, and networking events. Be active on social media. The more people who know about your passion, the more opportunities will come your way. Another crucial step is continuous learning. Never stop upgrading your skills. Take online courses, read books, watch tutorials. Industry trends change, and being adaptable keeps you relevant. And here's a big one. Believe in yourself. It's easy to get discouraged, especially when starting out. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep pushing forward. Finally, take the leap. When you feel ready and have a bit of financial cushion, make the transition from side hustle to full-time career. It's scary, but also rewarding. So, to recap, find your passion, research the market, start small, network, keep learning, believe in yourself, and take the leap. Simple steps, but they can lead to an extraordinary journey. Alright, that's it for today. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.